y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today we're going to be unboxing two IPSYs this time. We're going to do the IPSY Glam Bag Regular and the IPSY Plus this month. I decided I didn't really want to separate them. For some reason, I wanted to do them together. I do have an Ultimate coming. It hasn't gotten here yet, but we're going to just unbox both at one time. Might as well kill two birds with one stone, which sounds very morbid, but you know, whatever. So if you guys love unboxings from me, since I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler unboxing gal, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It will mean so much to me because I have noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you would do me the honor and go ahead and subscribe, it would mean so much. And hit the little bell notification so you are aware of when I upload. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So I want to start off by opening up this one really quick. I do have an add-on in here, which I think is like what's making it so bulky. Yes, okay. Here we go. I got the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser, the Anti-Aging Armor Rejuvenating Concentrate. I love the Confidence in a Cream. I use that all the time. It makes my skin feel amazing. It's like my holy grail. It's like the only skincare I really actually want to use because it works so good. So I wanted to get the cleanser. I thought in the past I got this already, which I'm almost positive I did, but I don't know where it is, so I probably didn't even get it, but I have it. I wonder what it smells like. Oh, there's a safety seal. They like never do that anymore, I swear. Yeah, it smells pretty much just like the cream, so love that. My skin is gonna love it too. So excited. But anyways, let's move on. Actually, there's a lot of stuff that's not even in the actual bag, so I'm gonna pull that out first. Okay, so we have from this brand that I'm not even gonna try and say, we have 10 peeling radiance pads here, so that's cool. Okay, and then we have what is this brand called? Miss Glam or something like that. I really like these brushes, and oh my goodness, this is so cute. I really like these brushes, so I'm excited to have another one, plus the handle looks freaking cute, so can't wait to add that to my collection. And now we actually have the bag, which I didn't realize this one's like see-through, but cute. And I do love the little airplane on the tassel. That's a cute little thing. And then here's everything else. Here's our card. Take a break is the theme. Prefer it to have prices. So here we have a Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil from Ciate, London. I wonder what this smells like. It smells like watermelon. Smells good. Then we have a little lipstick from Beauty For Real. I actually have another lipstick from them. I just haven't ever used it. Ooh, this is a really pretty dark red shade. I'm not going to swatch it, but you get the point. It's red, it's dark. There it is. And then the last item, which was my choice item, which I'm super excited about. This is from Koki Cosmetics, and I'm very familiar with their brand. This is a Crystal Fusion liquid eyeshadow. It looks so pretty. I'm going to swatch it, actually. Oh, yeah. I mean, it kind of looks like all the other liquid eyeshadows I have, but, you know, I'm excited. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in here. See, I have a collection of just liquid eyeshadows forming here, so we'll just add that to the bunch. Yes, I use Allure boxes for all of my stuff. Don't judge me. Anyways, let's get on with the plus. Okay. Okay, here we go. No prices. Here is the bag. I think I like the purple one better. It's like that really pretty purple that everybody loves. And I want to look at my choice item first, which is the Il Makiage Color Boss Multi-Dimensional Eye Color. It's a single shadow, and my god, this is like a heavy little guy. How do I open this? Oh, how freaking cute. I don't know why that makes me so happy. Okay, this is Eyes on the Prize. Here it is. It feels so luxurious. Like, if I'm gonna pay money for a really nice single eyeshadow, it better feel like this packaging. Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Oh, it looks so foiled and it's not even wet. Look at that. That's on the bottom. Oh, that is so pretty. You know, I just realized I'm wearing the same shirt I wore like a week ago when I filmed my other two videos. I swear, this is like a week later, I swear. Here we have from Tarte, the Tarte C Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara in the shade Black. I'm not going to open it because I don't want to, like, you know, open it and it start drying out. But here is the packaging, if you can see, if my camera will zoom. Probably not, but here is the mascara. Excited to use that. Then we have from Purlisse here. This is the Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. So you can use this as a primer before your makeup. Sounds good. Packaging. Let's see. I don't really smell anything, but here this is. And then we have from Yinsa, this is a Super 8 lip oil, which I just got in my last Allure box for last month. Speaking of box, I opened up the American Influencer Awards beauty bundle on my channel like a week or so ago, and it's actually a really good box. It's bi-monthly, $34 bi-monthly. And their August-September box is going to feature Purlisse's watermelon collection. You get 5 to 6 full-size items. I have a code. You save 10% on that box. So if you're interested, go check out that video. And I'll have all that information over there. But I just wanted to mention that because we got a Purlisse product here. But anyways, here's the Yinsa lip oil. I'm not sure, but this looks kind of like the one I got in my Allure box, but I can't remember, and I don't think I have it anymore to show you because I think I already had given it to my niece, but I might keep this one. I don't know. We'll see. And then the last item in my box is also from Real Her. This is the I Am Amazing 24-hour eyeliner. If I can get it out. Okay. So here it is, just a black eyeliner, and it is a pencil. So that's good. I don't know why I even did that. You can't even see. But yeah, that's everything that I got in both. Let's see. Should we go over everything? Yeah, let's go over everything. So we got an eyeliner, a single shadow, 2 different lip oils here. We got a mascara. I don't think I'm going to hold everything. We got a mascara. We got a brush. We got this priming moisturizer. These, what are these called again? Radiance peeling pads. Pack of 10. And then this little lip color. And then I had this as an add-on, which I'm super excited about. Did I miss anything? I feel like I did. Oh well, if I did, then oh well. Oh, my face is like so hot. Hold on, let me just. I got this really nice Manicador hydrating face mist in that beauty bundle that I was just talking about, and it's like so freaking yummy. It's to die for. Anyways, that is everything that I did receive in my regular glam bag and my glam bag plus. I would like to hear your thoughts and opinions down below. What was the favorite product that I got in both bags? What did you get in your bags? Please let me know down below. What is your favorite item that you received, and is the plus your favorite? Is the Glam Bag Ultimate your favorite? Is the Glam Bag Regular your favorite? Or are you just done with IPSY altogether? Let me know. I will have some more spoilers up very soon. I think, I hope. They haven't come out with any yet, but I'm kind of like fingers crossed because I want to see more, because August so far is looking pretty good. I will have the spoilers linked down below if you want to see what is going to be coming so far in August. And yeah, I guess I'm going to get on with my Boxycharm unboxing now. So if you guys enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!